Yeah, totally exciting. We didn't do nothing.
No, just probably wonders what maybe it was speeding. Wait a second. Oh, can you reach my purse?
How we doing tonight?
Good.
We're gonna stop you the erratic driving you were doing just now.
Well,
all over the lane, going
Was
real
I?
slow.
Because I was Google mapping. I think I was lost. Oh.
Okay, well you shouldn't be Google mapping. You should have a passenger Google map for you, Edward.
He didn't really know how to do it. And I was trying to get Suri to tell me where our condo was, and she wouldn't help me out. So then I was Google mapping it, and I tried to pull over, but I wasn't sure where to go. There was just a
We're
little,
not from around here.
little
Vacation.
thing.
Ohio.
Ohio? Okay.
I'm gonna get your driver's license and registration.
Okay.
I just couldn't see inside your window. The fog, a little bit fogged up. That's why I had you.
There's that. And I hope she's got a registration in here. This is my daughter's car, so.
How old are you, buddy?
I'm 15.
15. How are you related to her?
No, this is my mom.
Your mom? Okay.
Yeah, this is my sister's car, though.
Okay.
Is this it?
Looks like it.
Yep. Yep.
You wouldn't have anything to drink tonight, would you?
No, I don't drink. We were just kind of lost. I didn't think we were this far out, but it is quite a ways.
Yeah,
You know?
we were totally lost.
Where's it y'all headed to?
Well, we
Next
went to
time,
the.
If you're Google mapping next time, pull over.
Well, I tried, but there's just like a little bike trail, and I thought I don't really want to pull over into that, but I should have just pulled off. We went to McDonald's, but it was closed.
Right.
So then we went to the grocery store to get him some chips because he was just hungry for something.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
From what it looked like from behind, though, it looked like some real. The driving looked like something you would see from someone who's had quite a bit to drink.
well,
That was our concern.
I was like looking at this, but my windows kept fogging because it's my daughter's car, so I couldn't really figure out how to run or defrost. And I'm trying to figure that out. He didn't know anything because he doesn't even have a license. So
Okay. All right. Well, we'll be right back with you.
okay.
Alright. You sure we can just ask them for directions?
No, we're right up here now.
Oh, okay.
It's embarrassing. I think I'm drunk driving. Jeez, I'm glad I don't.
Why is it just like black and like yellow lights? It's supposed to be red and blue.
I don't know.
What if someone tried to make us a run through it through the ocean? How are they supposed to get them?
Run through the ocean.
Yeah, like it's some like escaped convict like went in the ocean, like swim away. Like how are they supposed to handle that? You know what I'm saying? Like if somebody was waiting for the cops and they just ran through the ocean and all that. Yeah, you can get the dogs out, but you know they can only go so far until.
Then what? What would happen?
Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Like if like some person like, what would they do if somebody ran through and just swam all the way out through the ocean? How would they?
I don't think they can get the dogs out there, could they?
No, they couldn't. But what I'm saying is that what happens if like if like they have like speedboats and all that,
Yeah.
but it would take a while though.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. It's the ocean. What are they doing back there?
They're running my license plate to see if I have any warrants, if they need to arrest me, or if I've been in trouble.
You ain't getting arrested, that's for sure.
If I had a warrant, if they were looking for me for something,
Why would they look for? Why would they need a warrant?
I don't know.
I'm tired. I'm glad I had my seatbelt on this time. Okay.
What?
I thought a raindrop or something like that. How long does it take to run a freaking license plate?
Mm-hmm. And the computer's gonna be slow.
Oh yeah, true. We are by the beach too.
What did I do with your registration booklet? Put it back in here.
Mm-hmm.
This is not right.
Alright, man. What I did is I'm gonna give you a warrant ticket for the crossing left to center. Like I said, it wasn't just
Oh,
one
did
time.
I go left to center? I kept thinking I was going this. Okay.
Left to center, swerving all over your lane, and then improper turn. Didn't use your blinker. I mean, pick one.
Okay.
So I'm just giving you a warrant ticket basically for the stop.
Okay.
There's your driver's license back.
Thank you.
Your registration.
Okay.
And this is just a copy of the warrant citation, okay? You don't have to do anything with it. You can frame it or whatever you want to do with it.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay?
Hey, I'm on Villas Drive.
Villas Drive.
Villas Drive, is that what this is?
No, this is New River Inlet.
So I want 850 Villas Drive.
Keep going
There's
down.
yellow houses.
Yeah, keep going down. It's a couple miles. on
So
the
it
right
is this
side.
road.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Alrighty,
What are you
good.
trying to get to here?
850's Villas Drive, but when I search my thing, let me see where I went now. I wanted 850's Villas Drive, but it's telling me it's like 11 minutes away. Is it that far?
Mind if I see?
No, go ahead. Then my stupid windows keep fogging up, and I don't know how to keep the fog out of
Are
here.
you sure you're on North Topsail? Because it's saying you need to go back the other way.
No, we were on North Topsail. 850's Villa, right beside Villa Capriani.
Okay, yeah, just keep going
Okay.
down. It's on the right hand side.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're about,
So why is it doing this?
I don't know. It's got another address in it. I think it says Topsail or something like that. Because there's a North Topsail, a Surf City, then a Topsail.
Right,
Beach.
Right.
It might be picking up something from over there.
And we went clear around to the McDonald's,
Uh-huh.
and then I didn't think it was this far out up this way.
It is. You got a couple miles left.
Okay. All right. Okay.
But 2 miles, I would say, on the right hand side.
We're on the right track, though.
Yep. You're on the right track.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Sorry, guys.